하루고 저저저저가 벌써 디스플레이션 찍었지.
The baby in yellow.
저 시모 낙도 미시리고 좀ring.
This is Crown Childcare, the gold standard in babysitting. You have one new client message. Listen, I've just got home and your sitter has walked out. They were supposed to feed him. He needs a... What are you doing out of bed? I need a sitter now. Just send someone right away.
Long time, baby. Hello, Michigan. Long time no see. I'm lost. What? Chắc thằng Phi à? Đó là người ta có được xem bằng abi.
This is Crown
Được có chỉ mặc
Childcare,
chút.
the gold standard in babysitting.
Anh go home! No!
Hello and congratulations. Your application has been successful, and we're very pleased to welcome you to the Crown Childcare family. Report to reception for orientation. Your journey with us starts today.
Wow! Nakakaraksima mo?
Good morning and welcome to your first day at Crown Childcare. Let's get started. Log on to the computer to print your contract. We encourage you to read each section carefully before signing.
What was that? Disk. Heart pumps at heart pumps. One message.
It's your first day. Dear potential employee, we can't wait for you to join our growing family. There are so many exciting opportunities ahead. Before we begin, please print and carefully read your contract. Once you've signed, we can start our journey together. Crown Childcare.
좋아. Tô phẩm. Tô phẩm. What was that? Oh, no enter, sleepy.
Welcome to the family, employee 225. Place your contract in the care hatch and collect your employee card.
Employee card. I don't know, same time. 225 or 225 you. Dava. Squish? No. Ah. Udah 찍고 숟가락 와가. 서이간. 나갔다 지닥풍아. Ah, lontano sì. Ah, walnut. Okay, the game. Hello.
Your primary role at Crown Childcare is his happiness and well-being. You can start with some light entertainment. Toys have been provided.
Pinggok-punggan! No musik. Vroom. Okay. Hello. Je mag zo'n dag af, joh. Zullen we nog zo'n kamer gaan?
Entertainment has its place, but his growth is essential. Take him upstairs to be fed, then back downstairs to change him.
Hey. Long time no see. Bye. Happy. Yay! Baby yellow. Nope.
A daily evaluation is critical to monitor his progress and development.
Fun. Ano na? Nope. Okay. See. We're going. Come on.
He's not quite ready yet. Take him upstairs and tuck him into bed.
You're the boss. Kisha maski na taxi mo buwan.
An adequate first shift, employee 225. You've earned yourself a crown sticker. Proceed to reception and clock out.
Ooh. Clock out. Masok aktungan. What should I button? There goes. Tawang ko? Oo nga. Mamaduk ang maximum ng ay.
Your continued work helps us grow. We'll see you again tomorrow.
Yay!
Welcome to Crown Childcare, nurturing growth every day.
Okay. Reaktor pungas. Nacho. Maria aksanin da siessa kautta.
Car Wash Tuesdays. Good morning. Chris from the car wash service arrived earlier today, but there were no cars. He went home in tears again. Thanks a lot.
Nyt taksiessa tämä kaksimo. Baby
Good
yellow.
morning, employee 225. You'll find him in the naughty corner following a little incident last night. Let's ease him into the day with some quiet story time.
Oh, diski. Komputer. Easy mode. Sivittuullugun spilleqaluarpaa kisiuni paasissaangala spilliingerlatinniartariaqassuaraa. Minicamp paasingaluarparaa. Onanasuna. What's up, Pepe? Naughty boy. Where are you? Naughty boy. Not yet. What's up? Hello, baby. How are you? Một tôi actually. Where is the milk? No. Oh. Where is the kitty cat? Kitty cat. Here he is.
Still testing boundaries. Interesting.
Not a short. Good. Shoot, pinguari. Cool. Amateur missä suukaan lähtöä. Pinguari. Ang isok suut ja mua pinguara täysin nää. Fun! Yeah! Big walk to go! Wee! Go. Go, boy!
This behavior is promising. Begin an evaluation immediately.
Goodbye. Bye bye. Goodbye. Haragayakşım, kıllıksın mamışım, kavişiduğumuşum, kıllıksın o. Lucia. Go to sleep. Goodbye.
He's ready? Quickly, take him to reception for processing.
Quickly. So what? Relax. Sleepy time. Oi? Masih super pa? Super rampida ayun. Minicamps.
Child Dispatch. Congratulations, employee 225. This child has passed evaluation and is ready for placement with loving new parents. Please ensure he is properly labeled. Casilda Blackwood Apartment 10 Euclidean Towers 51162B. Your continued work helps us grow.
What did I know? No naman ngira. Nagkisim naman ako nang. Ikam sida na pasis nang gira macam-macam kayong gira nga. Sinapay. Baby, 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 baby. Goodbye, baby. Get a bed.
Another child sent out into the world. A truly Another so soon. Quickly, clean up that mess you made in the playroom. The arrival. It must be perfect.
Maternert toch zwaar,
Report to the care hatch. It's time.
It's time. What? be a zombie.
What a sight to behold. Lucky, lucky you. Try to contain your excitement. Ensure the new arrival is safely tucked into bed before you clock out.
See. Baby yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Good night, son of a bitch.
Another sticker has been earned. Perhaps even deserved.
My favorite book. Zoopla, bye. See. Bye bye. Yeah.
Hi, it's Edward Stern. Would you be able to send another sitter? The one you sent didn't last very long. Thank you, bye.
Okay, bye. Sokak, bye. Bye-bye. Ai, mas nakakasisimo nga. Why not? Bye-bye. Yes. Yep. Sokak. Bye.
Your continued work helps us grow. We'll see you again tomorrow.
Yep, bye. Narusa nga mikrofon niya tuksin na, so?
Welcome to Crown Childcare, nurturing growth every day.
Every day, every time. What's up, baby? What's up? No existe. No pronto. Another time, another time. Right, baby. Oh.
Good morning, Employee 225. Today we'll be focusing on blocks and building. A simple yet meaningful activity. Even the smallest sapling holds the potential to become a towering tree. But a sapling cannot plant itself. It must be cared for, nurtured, sustained. Pick him up, build with him, grow with him.
Fuck you, baby. Hello, baby. How are you today, baby? Fun.
It feels like your first shift was only yesterday, yet here we are, your 2-week anniversary. Please enjoy the festive provisions. Can you see the tree?
Fun! Aber! Yay! Happy birthday! Oi! No. Homan! Hey! No. 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 Ako lakto ko yung una, nagkaksan na yan. Ah. It's okay. Une, deux, trois, vier, fem, seks, sju, åtte, ni, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oslo 13 Sibabka. Da var sogar. Hooray. Hello, baby.
Good morning, 225. Today's activity is painting. Everyone, gather round and watch as 225 demonstrates their incredible artistic skill.
Baby yellow. My favorite. Good. Finish.
Ah, it looks like we have another arrival. Stop what you're doing and report to the care hatch.
Happy! Kuya Nax, tama ito may matokatsi ka ba? Reaction? Reaction? Sorry? Sao tukarong? Sana pa yung ngayon tukarong misyonan. Come on! What do you do? What do you want? Go to sleep, go to sleep. When you're in can you just show me? I should have reaction. Sinasara shawagich. Una tira. Happy! Love you, baby. Twin.
Another glorious addition to our family. And still, you cannot see the tree. Curious. Make sure they are both well fed. No favorites.
Okay. Just a moment, baby. What's up, baby? Son of a bitch. Ah, good.
A fussy eater. Interesting. Take him to the staff room. Let's try a more appetizing option.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Yay! Yay! I've noticed. Yummy! Who's that, baby? Baby yellow! Baby yellow! Nope. Sí. Sí. Baka naunahan.
Crown Childcare reminds you, do not consume baby food, no matter how tempting it may be.
You were told, do not eat the baby food, not shove it all in your greedy little face. Get back in the kitchen and do your job.
Okay. What's up, baby? Speak on. Baby! Baby! Ready to? Whatever. Nice. No hammer. Nakakwa. I can't see anything. Hey, come back! Homan! Homan! What are you doing? Homan! Homan! What are you doing? Homan! I cannot see. King Amon. I am Homan! Where are you, baby? Oh, there he is. What are you doing, baby? Where are you, baby? Ah, ano ba ito? Kalok si Mawo. Snayo? Where are you? Baby! Go sleep. Papa, baby!
Oh, did you not get a sticker? Strange. That only happens to incompetent employees. Sleeping on the job means unpaid overtime. Deliver the package.
Deliver package. Shit. Get out of here.
Welcome to Crown Childcare, nurturing growth every day.
수리실간 기우삭부 21, 22.
Good morning, 225. We've had a new arrival. The perfect day for a fun fair.
조지쇼입니다. 오케이.
Was that entirely necessary? Get it down so we can continue with the festivities.
Hello.
Ooh. Ooh.
So what? Nope.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ice cream privileges have been revoked. One per child. The sign could not have been clearer.
Ah. Where are you, son of a bitch? Here we are, son of a bitch.
Funfair Day is cancelled. That plane was company property and a beloved toy. Take that overfed child to the changing room now.
Changing room.
Intruders detected. Lockdown in effect.
His dolls. No hesitating, 225. Destroy every last one of these spies.
Ah. Goodbye. Ôi trời goodbye. Ah, tagal na niya dokpera buat. What's up?
Outstanding work. Only one left.
Come back! Chikron. Ôi ta cờ bời. Attrait.
Very impressive, 225. Perhaps we misjudged you. Still, a brief evaluation is required. Log on to the computer.
Computer.
Welcome, Employee 225, to your mandatory self-reflection. Due to recent activities, a brief assessment of your state of mind has been requested. Your results will help us better understand your mood, temperament, and outlook.
Rồi rồi được. 아주 가빈. Who are you? Is that the Quibby? Who are you? Hello, baby.
An eventful and tiring day. Tuck all three into bed before you clock out.
Sleepy, 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 sleepy. What are you doing? You too, baby. You too, baby.
In recognition of your efforts today, a special sticker has been awarded. Such promise. If only you could see the tree.
Yeah, I need the tree. Happy tree. Home. Sweet home.
Lockdown is still in effect. Please take a seat. A member of staff will be with you shortly.
Ah, shit. Cho mấy tàu chú phải hiểu không?
Welcome to Crown Childcare. Lockdown has been in effect for
unknown
number.
days.
지작대가 대만이. Yay! Oh. Siwan from Sud Takunga. Up.
Listen, I've just got home and your sitter has walked out. They were supposed to feed him. He needs a... What are you doing out of bed? I need a sitter now. Just send someone right away.
Good day.
Client request pending. Please assign sitter.
Right, so me. Surprise. 조심하 좀 시작고 와. Baby.
225 remains blind. Forget them. All has fallen into place.
Hello, baby. How are you today? You. What happened to her face? Copy man. Yeah, happy. Intrigue. Don't know what copying I should. Onih siarang na ya. Dava. Tapi kan tak misi basyo kamal di. Are we back home? Yes, yes. Goodbye. Dati còn là mới sân kìa chứ. O'clock, baby. Được ya. Where are you, baby? Ông nên năng liệt sao?
Good morning, 225. Let's clock in and begin your shift.
Begin?
That's not your card, 225. Insert your card into the machine. It couldn't be simpler. Failure to clock in will affect your sticker allocation. Time is running out. You can't do anything right.
Next. Ako na po nga, saka tayo na sinak po, kada pisyo ka sinak po kasi. Ah, tukong ilan.
Welcome to Crown Childcare. Nurturing growth every day. Every day. Every day.
Wala, bebe. Water. Another Pepe. It's not a bad. Go boy. Next.
Crown Childcare reminds you, his growth demands everything.
Nakmaita, piniyaksan ko yung ba? Wala na. Ito siya. Siyempre tama ang nakpuan. Okay, where are you? Ah, siyempre. Basque. Hello, it's me. Orang dewasa happy. Dapat turun orang dewasa. Baby yellow, I need you back.
The King's Tree, at last revealed to you.
Hello, baby. What are you doing? Baby. Last. Baby. Nope. Susunang elektrikta massage. Pagkak toksinal. Nila?
Dispatch failed. Lockdown is still in effect. We appreciate your patience.
Go ahead. Son of a bitch. Hello, baby. 225. Hello, baby. Also, thank you. Baby! Đừng qua tầm mặt luôn rồi. Where are you, baby? Baby! Nope. Nope. Baby here! Okay. 225. Shit. Okay. Nails. Doktaji mga ba YouTube itarum na utama masyang naluap. Hello, baby.
Lockdown have been lifted. Crown Childcare thanks you for your patience.
Just a moment. Okay, 다시 주신다니까. 응랑. Okay. Hello, baby. I'm going to turn back. Nah. Baby yellow. What are you doing, baby yellow? I'm coming for you.
Your eyes are opened, 225. Step forward and join us.
Yay! Little vibe. Oh, no, you're not. Your mother? Where is she, mommy?
At last, 225 has awakened and joined us on the yellow path. My devoted, the king turns his gaze upon you. From his tree came his children, and we nurtured their growth.
We fed their hunger. Now its roots, strengthened by their feast, bring him to our world. Rejoice, Dr. Arkham, the last remaining seeker is crushed. The cat gained his trust and led a child to his refuge. Now the world's door has been cast open. The Doctor is alone, adrift in ruin. Nothing will stand against us. Nothing will deny his growth. Nothing will silence his children. Soon, the king arrives!
Long con.
No, we're leaving. We are leaving. Okay. You, get up. This whole place is... not the face, you monstrous yellow child. On the legs. Get up. Come on. We'll fix this. It was the cat. It must have been. She was the only... I need to get out of here. I feel yellowly. Very yellow. Get back! Get back! Come on. We can stop her. She doesn't know about you. You ready? We're gonna end this.
Thank you for playing. Si naqinniarsimavuk tamaasanaqakkaasit maaqoinasitaarnam pisinarlorsmasistamasapaat tullianimu takus naqeqqissarpat maatunnis pillinu taamu takuriu qoinasinarsna pisinarlorsmasistamasapaas pillin taamu takus bye bye.